Rising kids with skills. Welcome kids. Today we are going to learn some cooking verbs with sentences. Let's start. Boil. Boil the water fast. Dice. Dice the onions small. Chop. Chop the veggies fine. Bake. Bake the cake now. Fry. Fry the chicken crispy. Grill. Grill the steak well. Roast. Roast the chicken brown. Mix. Mix the batter smooth. Slice. Slice the bread thin. Steam. Steam the broccoli green. Stir. Stir the soup slow. Whisk. Whisk the eggs fluffy. Knead. Knead the dough soft. Simmer. Simmer the sauce low. Sear. Sear the steak hot. Poach. Poach the eggs gently. Braise. Braise the meat tender. Glaze. Glaze the cake sweet. Marinate. Marinate the meat long. Puree. Puree the soup smooth. Sift. Sift the flour fine. Sprinkle. Sprinkle the cheese lightly. Toss. Toss the salad fresh. Whip. Whip the cream fluffy. Blend. Blend the smoothie cold. Mash. Mash the potatoes smooth. Peel. Peel the oranges quickly. Soak. Soak the beans long. Strain. Strain the soup clear. Caramelize. Caramelize the onions sweet. Toast. Toast the bread crispy. Clarify. Clarify the butter pure. Dehydrate. Dehydrate the fruits dry. Ferment. Ferment the dough slow. Sauté. Sauté the veggies hot. Leaven. Leaven the bread light. Julienne. Julienne the carrots thin. Mince. Mince the garlic fine. Parboil. Parboil the rice half. Crush. Crush the garlic fine. Fold. Fold the eggs gently. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.